Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and getting to the Extensions Manager. This is where control lives. Click the three-dot menu, choose More Tools, then Extensions. Once done, you'll see every installed add-on. If you prefer speed, type Chrome//extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Make sure you're in the intended profile, because extensions are profile-specific, otherwise you might disable the wrong set. Now, identify the extension you want to disable. Observe its card for the toggle switch and any details you may need. You now take action. Find the extension card and double-check the name and icon so you don't disable the wrong tool. Flip the toggle from blue to gray to disable the extension. This preserves its data so you can re-enable later. If you need finer control, click Details to restrict site access, manage permissions, or allow an incognito. Those options explain the why behind behavior changes. Once configured, watch for immediate changes in browser behavior. Some extensions require a page reload to stop. You finish by confirming the change. Reload the tabs that relied on the extension, or restart Chrome to ensure it's truly inactive. If the problem persists, consider removing the extension entirely, click Remove, and then reinstall if needed. Removal is a clean reset. Also try clearing cache and cookies, because stored data can mask behavior. If you need to bring it back, re-enable from the Extensions page or review details to adjust permissions first. This prevents repeating the same conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.